Hi again, guys. Welcome back to Extra Sweet. I'm Sammy, a culinary specialist and food stylist here at Better Homes and Gardens, and today we have a chocolate peanut butter tart. Super easy, super simple. The hardest thing about this thing is that it has to chill for a few hours and you can't eat it until then. We're gonna start with the crust, which is easy, 2 ingredients. We're gonna put a bunch of these cookies in there and pulse. I'm gonna drizzle in some melted butter and I'm gonna pulse again to combine everything. You kind of just want to pulse until the butter and the crumbs kind of mix really well and evenly. This is just a 9-inch tart pan with a removable butt. Pile that all into the tart pan like so. And then we're just going to press. Get it nice and even onto the bottom and up the sides of our pan. So I'm going to take this now, pop it in the fridge for about half an hour, kind of chill that butter back up again, and then we're going to top it. 30 minutes later and our crust is nice and firm and cold. I microwaved some peanut butter that we're going to drizzle to the bottom of our crust. Smooth this off as much as I can. So I'm going to pop this back in the fridge again just for a couple minutes to really solidify my peanut butter, and then we're going to put the chocolate on top. We are going to make a super easy chocolate ganache. Start off here with some semi-sweet chocolate, some cream that I heated just to a boil. Pour that over the chocolate. We're gonna let it sit for a few minutes to kind of come to temperature. Everybody's on the same page. Cool the cream down, warm the chocolate up, and then we're gonna whisk it. It's gonna get nice and thick. Boom, easy as that. Tart is back, nice and chilled. Now you can kind of see that the peanut butter is set. Ganache. So good, so lush. So we've got our ganache in here, and here comes the hardest part of this recipe, which is letting it chill for at least 4 hours before you can dig in. So our tart is done. It's been chilling for about 4 hours now. Quick and easy way to remove the tart, grab a jar. We're just gonna put this right on top. I'm gonna give it a couple of gentle slams, and we're just gonna take that right off. So our tart is chilled, ready to eat, but again, this is extra sweet, so we're gonna go the extra mile. I've got a zip top bag here, gallon size, that I filled with whipped cream, and I'm just gonna dollop whipped cream around the edge. I love the salty and sweet combo. So I've got some kettle cooked potato chips, I've got some salted pretzels, and we're just gonna kind of sprinkle this around the edge where the whipped cream went. And there you have it, friends. That's how you make a chocolate peanut butter no-bake tart extra sweet. That is so good. All right, well, see you guys later.